Every year, we produce over 300 million tons of plastic, approximately the weight of the entire human population. But when it comes to recycling these polymers, things get complicated. Mechanical recycling is the most used method for plastic recycling, but it comes with some challenges: high costs, poor sorting, quality degradation, and improper regulatory compliance. All these challenges, however, have solutions. One of them is traceability. A traceable record of the plastic product's life cycle can support regulatory compliance by providing clear, auditable documentation of the material's origin, processing history, and quality. The bad news is that current traceability practices are slow, unscalable, and full of errors. Valuable data transactions occur over email and are stored in Excel sheets, increasing the risk of data breaches. To deal with this, we have to rethink how we share information. A new approach to information sharing is the Digital Product Passport. It is an electronic document that provides detailed information about a product's characteristics and history throughout its life cycle. For businesses, this means improved customer relations, regulation compliance, and a positive environmental impact. What makes a product passport secure is that it is built on blockchain. When something is added to the blockchain, it's like writing information in a notebook that lots of people check and agree on. This makes it very secure. You can't cheat or fake the information without everyone noticing, because everyone has a copy. PRIMUS Project aims to improve mechanical recycling of plastics by tracing them using Circularise's Digital Product Passport. With every material journey they trace, Digital Product Passports forge the path to a truly sustainable world. What I do creates a better future for us.